welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. I'm Gloria and today I am making for you a Mexican salsa in a molcajete that I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients. I have table salt, 3 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of chicken bouillon, cilantro, tomatillo, half a white onion, jalapenos, avocados, and 1 lime. And of course, this is what I'm going to use to make my molcajete salsa. This comes out delicious every time, and I know that you and your family will love and will enjoy. So let's get started. I have my tomatillos, jalapenos, and my garlic cloves here. They've been washed and dried, and now we're gonna take them to the skillet. So I'll see you over there. I have my comal here. It's already hot. I am going to add my tomatillos, which I'm going to chard completely, and my 3 garlic cloves. We are going to put them down this way because that's the part that takes longer to cook. I have my jalapenos here. We are going to leave them here until they are completely roasted. They're gonna look delicious and all the flavors are gonna wake up from these tomatillos and jalapenos. I'll see you back when they're ready to be flipped. While my tomatillos and jalapenos are roasting on the comal, I'm going to start by dicing my white onion and cutting in very small little pieces my cilantro. This is a very traditional salsa that we make in this molcajete. I'm gonna continue cutting my onion and I'll see you back when this is ready. My onion and cilantro, they are ready. I have cut my lime. It has no seeds. Okay, I'm just waiting for my tomatillos and my jalapenos. I'll see you in a little bit. I am ready to remove my garlic cloves, and I'm ready to flip them. We are really waking up the flavor on these jalapenos and the tomatillos. They're gonna be here for another 4 minutes, so I'll see you back in a little bit. I am ready to add my 3 garlic cloves to my molcajete, and I'm going to add my salt, my chicken bouillon, and the juice of 1 lime. My limes have no seeds. This salsa is gonna come out so delicious and so tasty. Okay, now we are going to go and smash the garlic cloves and smash it, and at the same time get all my molcajete from every corner. The garlic cloves are very soft. They're going to make this salsa delicious. I try to get all the sides of the molcajete with the garlic. So when I start putting my jalapenos and my tomatillos here, everything incorporates perfectly. and everything gets the flavor of the garlic. Okay, let's go see how our tomatillos and jalapenos are doing. I want to show you how the jalapenos should look. They should be nice and toasted from both sides. This is the time where I'm going to remove them and add them to the molcajete and the garlic. Okay, this one is ready. I'm going to leave my tomatillos here for another 2 minutes. I wanted to show you how it looks when I have smashed completely my garlic cloves. And I am ready to add the jalapenos. I am ready to add the jalapenos to my molcajete, and I'm going to do one by one until I have smashed every single one and everything has been incorporated. This is where I get my workout. It takes time, but this salsa comes out delicious. So I'll see you back in a little bit. Okay, my jalapenos are already nice and smooth, and I'll show you how they look. This is how my jalapenos look now. I am ready to add my tomatillos. My tomatillos are ready. I am ready to remove them from the comal and take them to my molcajete. They are nice and soft. Okay, I'll see you over there. I have my tomatillos here. I'm going to add one by one, and make sure that when you smash them, be careful because they are very hot and you could get easily burned. Okay, we're gonna do one by one because we want to make sure that we dissolve the tomatillo completely. And they are nice and juicy. Okay, I'll see you back when I'm done with this tomatillo. I'll see you back when I'm done smashing my tomatillos. I want to show you how chunky the salsa is. I have added all my tomatillos, my jalapenos. This is just looking so delicious. I am so ready to taste this. I am ready to add my onion and my cilantro and taste this delicious salsa. I'll see you back. I am done with my smashing my tomatillos and my jalapenos, and this is the time when we're going to taste to see if we need to add a little bit more salt. In this case, mine does need a little bit more, at least 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay, we're gonna mix it well, and I'm going to add my onion, my cilantro, and we are just going to incorporate it completely to the salsa. Oh, this looks amazing. And to this salsa, I am going to add avocados. And I have them right here. I'm going to slice them in half. Look how delicious they look. Okay, I'm going to cut the 4 avocados in little squares, and I'll see you back in a little bit. I have cut my avocados in squares. Now I am ready to add it to my salsa. My salsa is going to be so chunky. It's going to have so delicious flavor with this avocado. You can enjoy your salsa with carne asada, grilled chicken, or even just with chips. Okay, I'll finish adding all this delicious avocado and I'll show you how it looks. I'll see you back in a little bit, my friends. My friends, I want to show you how this salsa looks with all that avocado. This looks so delicious. I am so ready to taste it. So I'll see you when I'm tasting this delicious salsa. My friends, I am done with this salsa en el molcajete. You guys are going to love it. Why go and buy a salsa in the supermarket when you can make it at home? Comes out more delicious and you know what you are offering your family. This is the part I love, I enjoy, and I really look forward. Tasting my recipes. Let's see how it came out. With all this avocado, all this salsa, the jalapenos, my mouth is already getting watery. Let's see how it tastes. Excuse me. I wish you were here to enjoy it with me. Excuse me. Delicious. And you know something? It's not too hot. The jalapenos were not too hot. It's just perfect. The avocado nice and soft. I wish you were here. My friends, thank you so much. If you liked and loved my recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, give me thumbs up, share my video on social media. Don't forget to push the notification bell so every time I make a new recipe, yes, you are notified. Thank you for watching my video from start to end. Why not make a salsa at home? I will stay enjoying my recipe. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And I will stay enjoying my salsa. Bye-bye.